In Gatchina, Leningrad Oblast, a factory producing acetone caught fire after an overnight Ukrainian UAV attack. The governor had previously reported a fire in a private house in this village as a result of a UAV attack. The drone attack reportedly caused a large-scale fire in the town of Gatchina in Leningrad Oblast, located 45 kilometers 28 miles southwest of St. Petersburg. The fire started in an industrial zone, the independent news channel Astra reported, citing locals. Ingria Tech, a company that sells panel coatings and paints, is located near the fire site, as well as a food processing facility and a building materials plant, according to Astra. The Russian state news agency TASS also claimed an acetone plant was on fire. The fire covered an area of 1,900 square meters, Russia's Emergency Situations Ministry said. No one was injured, the ministry added. A Russian occupier is traveling along the infamous Road of Death in the Pokrovska direction. The scene is littered with destroyed vehicles, some still burning, and numerous occupiers, both dead and alive. The video's author highlights the Ukrainian armed forces' use of fiber-optic drones. Electronic warfare is no longer effective. FPV drones now operate via fiber-optic connections. Based on orders from China, Ukraine has procured hundreds of thousands of drones through May. Trump's much-anticipated inauguration won't influence the war in the next 6 months. Currently, the only countermeasure to fiber-optic drones is a lookout armed with a shotgun. And for now, there's no better solution.
Ну все, с Богом! Господи! Воздух, смотри! Ебать! Левапы? Я полный! Назад смотри, в основном! Да, нахуй! Просто ебала нахуй! Блять, блять, братуха, сорян! Давай, малыха, давай, сука! По-братски, блядь! Не подведи, крошка моя, маленькая, сука, блядская! Давай! Вот это пизда тут нахуй! Ебать! Бля, братуха, чуть не въебались. Охуеть! Охуеть! Я за 300 походу, братуха. Я 300.
Russian propagandists say that British intelligence loves to visit cemeteries in Russia because their tentacles set up repeaters in fake stones there. That is why they suggest to tighten further measures of the counterintelligence regime in relation to the British embassy.
We need to, I believe, further tighten the counterintelligence regime regarding the British embassy. The Russian Foreign Ministry had already made a decision earlier where British diplomats of a certain category are now denied the right to freely travel around Russia, as these are reconnaissance trips, meetings with agents. Well, a specific measure.
The English really love to visit
a cemetery. It's an ideal place where a cornerstone is placed, a relay station where agents drop off information that can be stored there for half a year to a year. Then British military personnel or diplomats under the cover of the ambassador visit these cemeteries, which they really like to do, especially in strategically important regions of Russia, either the Far East or the Arkhangelsk region. We see the tentacles of British intelligence everywhere undercover. It is necessary to tighten further counterintelligence measures regarding the British embassy, including the British ambassador. All embassy advisors can also only travel outside of Moscow upon notification and permission request with approval from the competent bodies of the Russian Ministry of Foreign Affairs. I urge our political leadership, intelligence agency leadership, and the Ministry of Foreign Affairs of the Russian Federation to substantiate, accept, and sign the decision.
In Russia's Krasnodar region, a new oil product spill from the stern of the Volgneft 239 tanker has been recorded. The area of the oil product spill is about 2.8 thousand square meters, Russian Ministry of Transport reports. It will be promptly localized using booms and then removed from the sea surface with biosorbent. 5 vessels, as well as coastal rescue service with equipment and special machinery, have been sent to the area. The tanker's stern part is additionally examined by divers underwater, the report says. The environmental disaster caused by Russia continues and increases. Putin is ready for talks with Donald Trump, said his press secretary Peskov. No preconditions for this are required, only mutual willing, political will, and readiness to dialogue, Peskov said. Yesterday, President-elect Trump said that Putin wants to meet with him. Yesterday, Putin said he will talk to Xi Jinping soon. Presumably, this will happen before his potential meeting and conversation with Donald Trump.
President Putin has repeatedly stated his openness to contacts with international leaders, including the President of the United States of America, including Donald Trump, and the President himself has repeatedly said this. We have repeatedly said this, and no conditions for this is not required. What is needed is a desire, mutual desire, and political will to engage in dialogue and solve existing problems through dialogue. We see that Mr. Trump also declares his readiness to solve problems through dialogue. We welcome this. There is still no specifics yet. There is no such thing. We are proceeding from mutual readiness to meet, but apparently after Mr. Trump enters the Oval Office, there will be some movement.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Every day. We had a guy last week, it's 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.